Hi, my name is Maggie Bolin, and I am a senior here at USI studying manufacturing engineering. I am the president of the Solar Splash Group, and my primary design function was designing the connection from the motor down to the propeller. As the president, I am super proud of what this group has accomplished, seeing as none of us have actually gone to competition or built the boat or been a part of the team before. So having all new students on this club, we have had a lot of really good learning moments, and I'm just super proud of what we've accomplished.
My name is Alyssa Dudas. I am a junior at USI. My primary function was to design and build the connection between the motor, the rotor wing gearbox, and the propeller. I also helped with mounting the solar panels to the boat, and I helped with water testing. I also helped make sure we met all of our safety requirements.
Hello everybody, my name is Joseph Winkler and I'm a senior mechanical engineering student here at USI. For my senior project, I was part of the Solar Splash group. For my part, I was in charge of the steering system, which consisted of the steering console, the cable system, and the end steering. I'm looking forward to seeing USI compete in the upcoming event at Solar Splash, and I hope we do well. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Daisy Valdez, and I am a recent graduate here from USI with a Bachelor of Science in Engineering and an emphasis in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering. This was my first time on the Solar Splash team, and I actually used Solar Splash for my senior design project. My part of the project was focused on creating the design for the solar panel frames, and the first step in the process was to create a couple of designs and research past solar panel frames for the solar panels, and the team decided the best design for the Solar Splash boat. So we chose an aluminum frame design because we wanted something that was lightweight and strong, and so 2 solar panels are going in the front and 2 solar panels are going in the back. I can't wait to see the results for